outdoor area of a home that we are designing on a beachfront residence, and there's another home being built, so it's really noisy, so I'll talk as loud as I can. And I just wanted to demonstrate how beautiful it is to mix and match materials. So many people are so stuck in the fact that they have to have everything the same. All the colors have to be the same. The wood has to match. Everything has to match. But that is completely the opposite of what we do. We love where things blend and play off one another. And this is a perfect example. This is a cozy little seating area. These chairs are just, so great. White, a wicker look, white cushions, okay? The table is wood, and it's got a different finish. It's got rays and taupes to it. So we've mixed these textures and these colors, and it just blends beautifully. The carpet is blue. We brought blue in. Why not? We didn't have to keep it white or totally blue, just the same color as this tile, which is a taupey gray. We played with it and we made it fun, and we're facing the ocean here. Again, everything is vegan. Nothing is made with down wool or silver, no animal parts at all in anything that we do, because we're vegan in our designs. And it's practical, and it's very sensory because it's a circle and it's conversing very beautifully. And informal conversations are best when people are adjacent towards one another. It's less confrontational. So this is a really beautiful setting just to chill, have a glass of wine at night.